Have you found anything? Are you doing homework?
Yes.
Yeah, right. Oh, that sucks.
One.
Got to clean out my makeup drawers, but then I remembered I needed to haul something. It was my first time ever going to Bath and Body Works. I guess they sell candles there. Never go there because it's pretty expensive, but they had a sale, so I ended up getting this Waikiki Beach Coconut body spray. It's really good, but you know, the scent obviously doesn't last. It is body spray, so anytime you smell like ass, reach out for the Waikiki. I love lotion only because for me, I'm very like sensitive how my skin feels, especially my hands. After you wash your hands or you take a shower, I always have lotion in my purse and everywhere I go. This smells so good. I'll have links down below if I end up finding it. I ended up picking up another lotion. This one is Pink Lily and Bamboo. This packaging reminds me so much of Victoria's Secret, but this also smells really good. And then I end up getting, let me see where it's at, because I know I have another one here that I use on a daily on my face. Ah, here it is. This one goes with the body spray right here, and this one is the lotion kind. So I ended up getting 3 lotions and then a body spray. I didn't pick up any candles because I really didn't like the scents of it, or the scent of it. I do have a lot of candles around my house, because you know, after 3 kids, your house is gonna smell like ass all the time. At least I know I'll be smelling good with all these things. And then I also picked up, let me see where it's at, where's the bag at. I also went to World Market. It's my first time going here as well. Like Bath and Body Works and World Market never caught my eye until I saw videos on the things that they had. World Market does have a lot of food, so but they have a lot of like unique stuff. For instance, the only thing, now I only bought this because you know, my husband was with me and I don't like shopping with him because I know that he thinks that I waste a lot, but I don't, I swear. But I've seen so many videos of like coffee mugs like this, and I think they're so cute. They have 2 sizes, and I ended up picking up the bigger one. It's only $6.99, which is not bad. I seriously thought World Market was hella expensive, but it's not. I ended up picking up these acrylic compact organizers from Marshalls. They were only $7.99. I ended up picking up 2. Like I said, I'm gonna start organizing my makeup again. I love organizing my makeup all the time because it's just so therapeutic. So I picked these 2 up, and then this organizer up, it's like 4 letters and stuff. It is like a baby pink color, which is so rare. So I want to put palettes in here and then some brushes in here. I want to decorate my room pink and white, and I know it's so weird because you know, my husband sleeps in here, but at this point he honestly just doesn't care. As long as he's playing FIFA, he's okay. So I want to start decorating my room pink, and it's so crazy because never in my life I thought I would say that because I don't like pink, but they have a lot of cute decor. I probably might add in my room gold because all over my house is all silver, white, and black and gray. So I know in my room I wanted to do something different, and that's what I'm going for. I was in the middle of cleaning today. We ended up getting the Amazon Prime. They had like a whole week thing, I think it was, where they had like different kinds of sales. And this is, my husband ended up ordering this. We actually have a Keurig, but he ended up ordering this for like ground coffee. He doesn't like to put like the ground stuff in the little Keurig thing where you get like at Walmart and stuff. So let's open this up and see how it looks. I wish it was all silver, or you know, it does not match our decor. That's a problem. He says, and I quote, he'll put it away when he's done using it. Y'all know that it ain't never gonna happen. Okay, so I'm finally done organizing only my eyeshadows, like anything that goes on the eyes. So this is my single shadow drawer. Okay, next I have this drawer right here, which is possibly my favorite drawer. This is basically half of my high-end makeup that I use like almost every day. I'm just very proud of this drawer right now. Okay, so on the bottom of that, still more eyeshadow palettes. Palettes that I still haven't tried are also in here, mixed with some other random ones. It's still makeup though, you know what I'm saying? It still makes me feel like I should have more to cover. Okay, then we have this drawer right here. This is all like the Morphe drawer. And then I have some single eyeshadows. I did order a Z palette online yesterday, so that should be getting here tomorrow. But this is all basically Morphe shadows. Still haven't used these two Violet Voss palettes. These are original palettes from the Wish app. Now, the Wish app is very tricky because some of the things that are there are not, you know, authentic. These were. So I got really lucky with those. Okay, and this is the last eyeshadow drawer. Again, I feel like I should buy more shadow makeup or more palettes so I could cover all the white, you know? I don't know. I feel like that's an excuse, but here's the last drawer. I legit was working on those drawers all last night, so now I have to tackle the other side of the drawers, and I want to fix like really pretty here. Like I said, I do want to make gold, pink, and white color theme here. So, and look at these organizing trays that I bought at Marshall's for $7.99. Online, I think it's from like All Glory or something like that. These are like twice the price, like 14 bucks or something. Anyway, I want to get more because I have more crap. And the best part of these trays, you guys, is that it legit fits on the first drawer, like in here, perfectly, as long as the product inside is not like overly, you know, these fit, you know. It's gonna be very hard to find more of these because I know it just is. I haven't seen any at the TJ Maxx I work at. Anyway, the brand is on display, so I know these are really good acrylic ones because they're really thick. And since I am organizing, I have an acrylic drawer here and then another one there. I feel like one of them is going to go to the bathroom and organize it there, make it look nice. So that's the plan with that. This, I still don't know what to do with it. I want to hang it up, but I'm not sure. And I want to reorganize my room so I could get more motivated to do more videos. And I know this desk, I want to put it in the living room where I have the bar section at. But I'm not sure. I'm still like debating because I want to move my whole room. But unfortunately, all that is going to be put on a stop because I have to take my kids to the dentist. But if you guys want to get updated how I do this side, let me know. Let me know. Okay, so Thursdays I normally don't work, so I decided to come to Marshall's. I ended up taking all the kids, the twins and the oldest, to the dentist, and now I'm here with Evie. Say hi, Evie.
Hi.
And we're gonna go to Marshall's, but I'm gonna show you guys in a further video what I am gonna get. A little home decor, I say. But we hungry, so after that we're gonna eat something at Target because they have like a pasta thing there. This one's the fancy side of Corona.
Yeah,
Ooh, and there's an
Target's
Ulta here. I
fresh.
think there's a World Market around here too.
Target's fresh too.
Oh yeah? I want to go see if this Target has Makeup Geek, so we're gonna go see that. Who remembers these? I used to have a Pokemon one.
Mom, look.
Memories. These are so cool for the IKEA Alex drawers. Here at Target, they're $7, and then these are $5. Let me see what else they have. $10 for this one. Fire next to my house! Oh no! Oh my god. So I live where those mountains are, and I was at Marshall's all day, and legit I come and all this is happening. Look at, there's the helicopter right there. Oh my god, that is horrible. Look at the fire. I'm scared. Look.
So I have to close all the windows and lock the doors, and we can't even go outside. It's not fair.
That is crazy. Look at the fire. It's like right there. Well, it calls for a snack. Let's go to Jack. Alright, let me show you guys what I got at Marshall's. So I found 2 more of these, and right now one of my coworkers said that we ended up getting some as well at TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna stock up on these. $7.99, so I ended up getting 2. And then I got this Stila bronzer, and it looks like this. And this one was for I think $4.99, $7.99, $7.99 for that. And then at Ulta, which I'm very excited for, I guess they opened up a MAC division in the store today, so all the MAC things was full except the two items that I really wanted weren't there. But they had a lot of ColourPop there, and I finally got my hands on these 2, and I really wanted these 2 when it came out. The Kathleen Lights Dream Street, and then the Yes Please. And then I also ended up getting this Mario Badescu setting spray. The lady in Ulta was really rude. She's like, no offense. When people start with no offense, they're gonna be offensive. She was talking just mad crap about this brand, and I told her, you know what, it's summer, I want something that refreshes me. I don't give a crap if the first ingredient is water. I don't know. Anyway, let me show you guys how these 2 palettes look. Okay, so this one is the Kathleen Lights. I love playing with color. Let me turn on the light. Just really intrigued to me of this palette. This one's the Kathleen Lights one, and this one is in Yes Please. It reminded me so much of Lemonade. Obviously, you know how everything is on the packaging. It's yellow. I feel like a lot of brands like Maybelline, L'Oreal, even CoverGirl are coming up with colors like this, but I love this palette because it is so soft, and I do have a lot of single shades that are still like in the little like white container that they originally have packaged. But I love these because these are so soft. These palettes are really small and convenient, so that's what I ended up picking up. Alright, you guys, all day I've been moving this room back and forth, the bed, like tossing it and turning it, all for nothing. I was just trying to make more room for my vanity because I'm just trying to make more room in this little room. I don't know if I told you guys that we ended up giving the kids a small or the biggest room, and we ended up keeping the smallest room, and it's a struggle. It's a big ass struggle, but I'm trying to redecorate. Since we do live in an apartment and there's 5 of us, I'm trying to make more storage out of small spaces, and unfortunately it did not work today. I'm gonna call it quits for the day. I'm just gonna put everything back, which is so disappointing. I just like redecorating, but sometimes it's so frustrating, you know? Why couldn't I just be rich?
And you guys know what? My whole living room is such a mess because I was like trying to reorganize. I took everything out, and now I just don't want to bring it back in right now because, you know, I can't feel my asshole. When my husband gets back from school, he's gonna be like, what the fuck? I see, pero muy de chopping.